This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Check for understanding. All right, refactor, override, immutable, polymorphism. All right, and our definitions. The ability of an object to perform an action in different ways, to improve the reliability, reusability, or structure of a program without altering functionality. An object whose state cannot be modified after it is created. To define a method in a subclass with the same method signature as method inherited from a superclass. Okay, so the subclass method signature or name and parameters and all that is identical to the superclass. We have done that one before. That would be overriding. Two methods, same signatures, we're overriding the superclass method. All right, now we're going to have to use a bit of context clues. Let's see. The ability to perform an action in different ways. An object whose state cannot be modified after it is created. So if you get stuck, there's a few things. You should always go back through lessons and look for the vocabulary, right? In lesson resources, there's oftentimes vocabulary listed here. If you're not finding it though, guys, you can also look these up on the internet. And it just so happens I have. All right, so what do we got? Immutable. Unchanging over time. Unchanging if it's immutable. So immutable, an object whose state cannot be modified. It cannot be changed. Cool. All right, refactoring, the process of restructuring code while not changing the original functionality. Yeah, you could think of that as like cleaning up a bit. So the ability, to improve the readability, and now polymorphism, although I'll look at it as well, the ability of a class to provide different implementations of methods depending on the type of object it's passed. The ability of an object to perform an action in different ways. Boom, boom. Onward.